Hey there, I'm going to show you my new lease listing at 4284 Tujunga. Just half a block that way is the Tujunga Village. This unit comes with its own yard, which is really cute. The landscaping is going to be worked on because the heat kind of scorched it. You come into a really nice wood floor, open floor plan area. Lots of natural light coming in. This is the living room. By the way, it's 3 units here, but no one's above or below you. This is kind of sits out front, almost like a single family home. The bedrooms are that way and the bathroom. And over here we have the dining area and kitchen with a door to the back. Fridge is included in the lease. And over here we have like a little landing area, if you will. And bedroom number 2. Show you the closet here. It's actually nicely appointed. And then this is a portable AC unit that you can hook up to any of the windows. Here's the bathroom, complete with a shower and a tub. Over here, I should show you this. This is a linen closet. Here we have a few things left over, like Christmas lights. This is bedroom number 2. That is another one of those AC units you can hook up to a window. And then ceiling fans in both bedrooms. Nice size closet as well. There's laundry in the back, and the area is just fantastic. We know the Tujunga Village. You can walk to the shops and restaurants and have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and if you want to schedule a showing, let me know.